Hello guys, this is Luben Johnson from Luben TV, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you some quick tutorial how to solve the Honda Street Cub front sprocket issues. Guys, when you are building a street cub and you reach the level of front sprocket, this is where some people really gonna stop. But this is been very difficult for some people. Even me myself, this is happening very difficult for me from the first one I started doing this Honda Street Cub. But when I realized a very simple thing to do, and people have been asking me, today I'm gonna show you guys how to solve this issue. Okay guys, because as you are watching this thing, make sure you watch it with your hand. Watch it very carefully. You're not gonna find what I'm doing right here. The chain not gonna go straight, so anytime you try to move this bike, the chain gonna spring out. The chain not gonna balance. Anytime you wanna move the bike, the chain gonna spring out. This is gonna be a serious problem for you, like I do. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. This help you. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. You are putting a bigger tires, right? So now you're gonna have issues when you reach this level because you have given it some space down here. Right, we're giving it some space down here. So one thing you're gonna be facing is that the engine sprocket not gonna match straight away with the chain because the bike goes like with the small wheels, right? So the chain goes somewhere there. But this one, move aside, you shift this side, this is gonna have problem there. So you're gonna be customizing some sprocket. There are some sprocket in like in places like United States. There are some sprocket you're gonna order, sprocket that looks like this. See? But here in Nigeria, I have found this sprocket nowhere, and many countries you're not gonna find this sprocket. So you're gonna stuck here if you don't look carefully. So all you wanna do, I'm gonna show you how to do this thing because I do this thing myself. So if you are doing this thing, you have to be careful. You have to follow this video correctly. If not, it's gonna hurt you. You have to use tape to measure the length of what you do or how you do this place. But I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. One, this is the shot from the Honda Cup gear. Then I'm gonna pull this out like this, and then I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear this up right there, and I'm gonna put this in right there. Okay, and you are doing this. If you are doing this, one thing you want to have in your mind: this sprocket shot has teeth inside there. I don't know why this shows in the camera. This thing, this is a gear sprocket, right? From C, you can get this from any C50 engine or C70 engine or C90 engine. You can get those. So you can pull this sprocket out, or you can buy it. I know this thing is very simple in any country. You can get this. So you're gonna put this right there first, right there. This thing now I'm gonna hook on this sprocket. The same teeth gonna match. Even your sprocket is 420, your sprocket not gonna work here. Don't worry, you don't have problem. Like this sprocket is 420, but I'm just showing you an example. Even if this sprocket match your chain, because some chain is 428, you cannot use 420 sprocket to use on 428. Even though if some works, some can work, some cannot work. But if it work for you, okay, that's fine. You can use 420 sprocket. But if 420 sprocket don't work, you can use 428 sprocket. And 428 sprocket not gonna work here. But don't worry, you don't have problem at all. Because this thing is holding as a sprocket already. So you're gonna use this one to put it here. But before you use this one to put it here, for me, this thing don't give me much space. So I turn up to use this thing to put it right here. I don't have it right here. That's why I'm not showing you in the camera, because I already do this. So I'm showing you how I do this exactly. And this thing worked perfectly for me. I've been speeding with this bike from my state to another state. I finished the bike up already, but your comment makes me to show you this, guys, because I've been seeing a lot of people have been asking of how to solve a problem of front sprocket in HONDA Street Cub build. Why I've been building street cub for a very long time. I've built many street bikes, and now I just want to show you how I do when I came to this level. Because this thing have given me problem when I start up, but now it's been very easy. So I want to show you so you're not gonna face the same problem I was facing. So now you're gonna put the sprocket, this gear sprocket. Let me show you this gear sprocket. Yeah, this is the gear sprocket. You see this gear sprocket? This is it. Now you're gonna put it right here. Make sure you cut off those teeth that those teeth have. You cut off the teeth and put it right here, and then this is gonna give us the real space. And then you're gonna weld it very strong. Any good retro that is strong, but this is sprocket, right? Remove some of the speed. You need to wet it very strong. You can use any electric, it's still all the same. Of course, I tried welding with a local electric, but it did not give me any problem. So you can weld with any electric. You're gonna weld it very strong, and then boom, you're gonna have this. Do you see this? This sprocket, remember this sprocket is going to be in the last. When you are welding this sprocket is gonna be down there. This very one gonna be down because it has that 420 teeth that is gonna hold everything for you. And even the center one have that 420. So when you are welding this, make sure you put them together like this to make it look very straight, because it's not gonna wimbly in your chain and be jumping. Guys, I just use my language. You're gonna say something like that. Okay, guys, so you're gonna put it right there to make it look, give space for you. Okay, so make it very, look, put it, make sure you are wearing this very straight. That's why I recommend you to put it in this shot. Don't worry, any sprocket that match your chain, you can use it here, is going to work correctly. Okay, guys, so when you want to wear it very strong. And boom, you're gonna have this. And then now you never got a job done yet. Okay, now you never got a job done yet because there's still some problem you're gonna face. You gotta notice that this sprocket has key. This shaft on your sprocket have a space of putting key. When you put sprocket like this, when you put sprocket like this in a normal Honda, then you're gonna put up key to make the sprocket not go out, right? But now that you have gone doing this construction, you're not, the thing gonna hook like this, the thing gonna hook like this, and you're not gonna find a way to put the key, right? The sprocket gonna come out and you're not gonna find a way to put the key. So what I'm gonna be showing you exactly as I do is very simple. What you're gonna do, you're gonna use a 13 bolt, and then you're gonna cut it right here, cut it out, and then you're gonna use the bolt to put it right there in the center, in the middle. As you can see, you're gonna put in the middle and you're gonna wet the bolt there. Sometimes you wet it, it's probably not gonna enter because the electrode has touching the spaces. So you're gonna use your filing machine to dress it up, and then you're gonna wet this thing like this in the middle, so that this thing gonna be your key. Let me show you. Let me take the camera outside and show you in my bike, in my street cub, how I do my. Okay, guys, now I come to my street cub. If you want to see how I build this episode by episode, I'm gonna leave the link in the description, guys. Let's take a look at this. Oh, whoa, 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 alarm. Never call on security. Okay, let's do this. Okay, guys, so this is it. You see how I do it? I wet it and I put it like that, and it worked perfectly for me. I've been riding this thing from places to places, from miles, from traveling from cities to cities with this bike. But you see, it still stand there. I have no issues. I have no issues at all. I have no single issue. I enjoyed riding this like this, and it's been very perfectly. So you're gonna do also the same thing with like I do, and then you're not gonna have any issue. So that's gonna be awesome. So guys, you can see this work perfectly, and the chain goes straight right there. As you can see, it is work perfectly. So guys, this is the end of the video, but please guys, don't just go like that. Subscribe to this channel so that you're gonna be notified anytime I drop videos. And if you wanna watch how I build this cup, just go down the description. You're gonna see this. I put episode by episode. I'm gonna put the episode series down there. How you're gonna get, and you're gonna get one of those. Just subscribe to the channel, guys. So peace.